Any problem? Any problem? Don't abuse. Don't abuse. Not so well. Not so well. Not bad. Not bad. But why? But why? How sweet. How sweet. How sad. How sad. Don't talk. Don't talk. Stop there. Stop there. How stupid. How stupid. It's easy. It's easy. For what? For what? It's high. It's high. Do it later. Do it later. Finish it. Finish it. Don't move. Don't move. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Draw the curtain. Draw the curtain. I am getting hiccups. I am getting hiccups. Keep it down. Keep it down. You will get wet. You will get wet. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. Sit in the sun. Sit in the sun. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. You became fat. You became fat. Prepare the bed. Prepare the bed. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Have some patience. Have some patience. Don't be clever. Don't be clever. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.